Number 17, letter combinations of a phone number given a string containing digits from 2 to 9 inclusive. Return all possible letter combinations that the number could represent. Return the answer in any order. So a mapping of digits to letters, just like on the telephone buttons, is given below. Note that 1 does not map to any letters. My first thought here is hash map for numbers 2 to 9, then a double for loop. And I think that's what I'm going to do, to be honest, because it looks it looks like fine. No, not double for loop. Oh wait, actually this might be not fine. This might be is this backtracking? This might be backtracking. I think this might be backtracking. Either way, quickly set up the hash map. How do you do it again? This A, B, C, and list 3. D, E, F. I'm going to get AI to do this because I don't want to do it. And this is, I think, a perfectly fine thing to get AI to do. PQRS is on 7. Awesome. Doop. Let's check this is working. Print my dict 3. DDF. Okay, that's what we want. I feel like this is going to have to be a backtracking algorithm because we are dealing with permutations, which typically when I've run into permutations in the past, it has always been a backtracking solution. I think we could like brute force this if we really wanted to. I don't think I will though. So let's make our backtrack. Our, what do we want here? We need our stopping condition, which is we could have an index, I guess a counter that goes up when we get to the length of digits. N equals string digits, no, str digits, and then we take the len of this. So if we had our of digits is a string. Perfect. Okay. So we need to start with our first number, which means pop, I think, is what we'd want to do. Print pop. Is it digits dot pop? Digits. Is this how it works? I think this should print 2 is what we're looking for. String object has no attribute pop. Okay, cool. So now we have a list with our digits in it. We're going to need a results list. And then we're going to need a backtrack. Okay, so we backtrack. We take our current list. I'm going to give it a go with index and remaining. No, it has to be an empty string. Current string and remaining in the list. So we need our stopping condition, which is if remaining len of remaining is equal to 0. Results dot append current. Then we return. Then, okay. So what we need to do is we're going to have our string, we're going to have our 2, 3, whatever, which is ABC, whatever. So we do for I in ls.pop car equals my dict I, which would be the letter, and then you backtrack car remaining for I in ls, sorry, and then remaining will become ls.pop. I want to see if this works. I definitely think I'm on the right track. If this doesn't work, it means that I do not know my... Oh my god, I hate it. Do you ever... Oh, my paint is like on top of my monitor so that I can't grab it and move it. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Alright. For I in range len ls. But there's gonna be some weird recursion thing here where I can't edit this ls. Which is like not that cool. Let's just try. Because I don't know a workaround to it right now anyway. So car. Can I just backtrack like this? No, I can't. Maybe I can. Backtrack. ls.pop. Oh my god, please let me move it. Thank you. Copy equals ls.copy. Copy equals copy.pop. Copy. This obviously isn't going to work. Backtrack with current as an empty string and remaining as ls. So this needs to be the length of remaining. This needs to be remaining. Yeah, cool. I think this will work, maybe, I hope. Backtrack with ls. Return results. Come on, please. Key error 0. Plus I think I need that. This just needs to go something like this. Can only concatenate string, not list to string. Remaining I. What is remaining? Remaining is a list. So it's finding the value and then it needs to do it for each value in J. Remaining I is the value that we're trying to loop over the whole thing. For J. So J will be each value. So I think it should be just plus J element. The element is just a number here. which corresponds to the myDict remaining list. So it needs to go like this, but then there's also this. Oh, there is no J element. String object has no what? Remaining should be a list. It should not be a copy. Less is a list. There's no attribute copy. Why would this be? Copy. String object has no attribute copy. Two, 3, and then 3. So it's working, and then it's passing copy back in. Alright, it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna see what exactly I'm doing wrong. I think I'm close, but I don't really get why this is getting changed. Oh, I do. How it's popping the element and storing that as copy, but it's not. Copy.pop. So close. Output AAAB. It's like it's doing the exact opposite of what I want. You should discard this, the first element. So it gets the list, and what does it need to do? It needs to append each of that first letter, which is A, B, and C. For I in range, len of remaining, where remaining is our numbers. So remaining I is the key. 4 elements, so we need to append the remaining I words, letters, which I swear I'm doing here. Remaining I elements. Yup. And then we pop it, and then it should append it back on. Until copy is an empty list. So why are we getting E and F and D? feel like I need the double for loop, don't I? Because it's not building on the answer. It's just getting it completely wrong. It's just doing it with like itself, like it's doing AAABAC instead of doing it with the other letter. Copy should then be like 3. It should pop the 2. Does pop the last element? That doesn't seem right. Copy dot pop 0. I'm so close. It does what I want now at the start. It's doing what I want. But it shouldn't be passing the next combination in. I could like clear it after and do like if LE1 in my dict. But I don't want to do that if I can avoid it. I can't tamper with the length of it because that'll ruin the backtrack. So for I in range len remaining, I could add a counter to make sure that we're only getting have a counter at 0 and then make sure the counter is always equal to the length of the output or the length of digits, which is n. And at each iteration through we add 1 to the counter. But it's clearly appending remaining for I in. It's like this remaining I isn't working. Yes! Yes! Oh, we only want the first digit because we puff it. Yes! Oh, that's so good. So we take the first element from remaining, because that's all we want. We then take a copy and we pop it, so we're not messing with remaining and ruining all our other stuff. All our other, like, recursive things. Then we pop the first element, push that back in, so that we're not recursively causing damage. Then we do for element in range of that list, and we try each. Oh, that's good. That's good stuff. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Oh. People are lying when they say that beating Elden Ring is the best. Beating a backtracking question is 1,000 times better. I'm so happy with that answer. Oh, that's so awesome. Just like writing this out, like, made something trigger in my brain that this isn't correct. Oh, that's so good. And I remembered to record. Alright, awesome.